In the realm of architectural aesthetics, facade design plays a pivotal role in defining the character and appeal of any building. The facade serves not only as a protective barrier, but also as the first impression of your home exterior, reflecting your personal style and the overall design philosophy. Among the myriad of materials available for facade construction, artificial stone has emerged as a popular choice, offering a perfect blend of beauty, durability, and versatility. Artificial stone, often crafted from a combination of natural aggregates, resins, and pigments, mimics the appearance of traditional stone while providing a range of benefits that make it ideal for modern facade trends. This innovative material is designed to withstand the elements, ensuring that your home exterior remains stunning and resilient for years to come. The durability of artificial stone makes it an excellent choice for homeowners looking for low-maintenance solutions that do not compromise on style. When it comes to creative home design, the possibilities with artificial stone are virtually limitless. Available in a wide variety of textures, colors, and finishes, it allows homeowners and architects alike to explore diverse design options that enhance architectural aesthetics. From sleek contemporary looks to rustic charm, artificial stone can be tailored to suit any style, making it an ideal choice for those looking to achieve a distinctive facade design. As we navigate the evolving landscape of modern architecture, several trends are shaping the way we approach facade design. The use of artificial stone aligns perfectly with these trends, as it not only provides aesthetic appeal, but also addresses the growing demand for sustainable and energy-efficient building materials. Incorporating artificial stone into your home exterior can lead to an exterior transformation that elevates curb appeal while ensuring long-term performance. One of the most significant advantages of artificial stone is its durability. Unlike natural stone, which may require regular sealing and maintenance, artificial stone is designed for longevity and ease of care. This makes it an attractive option for homeowners seeking low-maintenance solutions without sacrificing the beauty and elegance typically associated with traditional stone materials. With artificial stone, you can enjoy a stunning facade that continues to shine, season after season. Whether you're embarking on a new construction project or looking to renovate an existing structure, artificial stone offers unparalleled design versatility. Its lightweight nature makes it easier to install than traditional stone, reducing labor costs and allowing for faster project completion. Additionally, artificial stone can be used in various applications, from accent walls to complete facade cladding, enabling a cohesive design that harmonizes with the overall aesthetic of your home. Mastering the art of facade design with artificial stone allows homeowners to create a striking visual impact while benefiting from the functionality and durability of modern materials. By embracing the unique qualities of artificial stone, you can achieve an exterior transformation that reflects your personal style and stands the test of time. As facade design continues to evolve, incorporating artificial stone into your home will not only align with contemporary architectural trends, but also provide a lasting solution that enhances both the beauty and value of your property.